All right, what to do with your art and social media? What's up, everybody? It's Alan Thomas, aka Shadow Assassins, and today I'm talking about where to put your art on social media. Where is the best place to put your art on social media to get noticed? I can't really answer that question. The best answer that I can give you is put it everywhere. You can't really give an answer where to put your art on social media because you don't know how people are going to respond to your art in certain places. Because Facebook and Instagram are really the largest social media platforms that I can think of, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, I would say start there. But I mean, some people build big social media followings with their artwork on Twitter. That's how I did it. Other people do it using, I guess, Snapchat. I don't use Snapchat, so I don't know. Some people use Tumblr. Actually, a lot of artists that I see online use Tumblr. I don't. I use my Tumblr, or I upload the Tumblr, but I don't really use it. But even there, like, randomly people come across my stuff on Tumblr and it works out for me. I mean, you never know where you're going to get people looking at your artwork from. You never know where you're going to get fans from. So I just say, my advice, upload everywhere. Just put your stuff on every social media platform that you think you could get a buzz from, or that you think would be a good platform for you. And make sure you can manage it. Don't just start posting stuff everywhere, because I mean, my email now looks crazy with notifications from all these different places, and I don't want to turn them off, because if I get something from somewhere, I don't really want to miss it at the same time. But yeah, I just say put your stuff everywhere that you can, and whatever starts working for you, maximize your use of that platform. Like, if Twitter starts booming for you, keep using Twitter. If you get a bit of a buzz on like Facebook and Instagram or something like that, keep using those. Keep using what works. Just, that's why I say throw it everywhere and just see basically where your stuff's sticking at. Before I get off too, another good place to put your artwork, DeviantArt. DeviantArt is a great place to grow interest, especially using different groups and whatnot. So yeah, that could be a good place for you to put your artwork as well. Just put your stuff anywhere you can, put it everywhere you can and everywhere you can think of, and see what happens, and roll with what starts working for you. So that's my little advice for today. Once again, as usual, I'm about to go in here and get to work. I'm actually gonna have a lot of videos uploaded this week because there's another little mini project that I'm working on. So in any event, I have work to do, so I'm gonna get to it. I'm out.